Alright. Yeah.
Now just watch, I'm serious, at the door it is like ice in that section.
Right, I'll tape you opening it.
And here we are today in tropical New York City. It's a balmy, I'd say 20 degrees Fahrenheit. We'll just take you on a little tour of what's out the front.
Holy fuck.
It's real slippery here, man. Ready?
Shit. Alright.
There goes nothing. Get that stove down there. Just...
Oh, God, check it out. My God. Those poor bastards. Whoa. Alright, backing away.
Back up, go straight.
Alright. Oof.
Oh, she's a cheeky here walking.
It's a bit rough video here, isn't it? She can barely walk. Oh. Oh fuck. Look at her. She's dressed too well. Oh, if she doesn't turn around, I feel bad doing this. Oh. Oh shit. Should go help her.
I'll let you go, mate. No, I'll hold the camera. How do you do it?
Nah, fuck that. Man. She can barely walk.
Where's high heels happening? I'll give you $5 if you whip off to your boxes, run over and touch the triangle and back again.
$5?
Right now. And you can wear
Fuck
shoes.
off.
I'll let you
I'll
wear
do it for
shoes.
500.
No, $5.
Fuck off. Jesus, they're walking backwards.
Oh,
Jeez.
oh shit, it's cold.
Fuck, man.
What can we throw it at? Bombs away!
Yeah. We're fucking brave. Alright, let's go.
We're hardcore, let's get out of here, man.
Oh, fuck. You got the keys?
Yeah, oh shit, that's the camera lens. Anyway, that was balmy New York. Coming at ya. Now back to Siberia.
Oh, jeez. That was tough work. Well, signing off.
Later, Gator.